How do you change from an itemized deduction to standard deduction? So to do that, it's going to be in the federal taxes over here on the deductions and credits. So click on that. You're going to have information filled out here, but from here you actually hit the continue button, and that's going to bring you to a little page that is talking about standard deductions or itemized, and it shows you the difference between both based on what you've input. Down here at the bottom, you can actually change your deduction. And so it says right here, right above that, what you've selected. So we've chosen itemized deduction. We can click change deduction and choose between itemized or standard. And so if we want standard, we can click on that and hit continue, and that's going to switch to standard deduction. And you can see down here right above that button, it says, let's keep going and lock in the standard deduction for you. And so from there, you can just continue on, and it's going to kind of lock that in and let you keep going through other tax situations, which is the next item on the left-hand side here. Like I said, you can always go back to deductions and credits, kind of after you've input everything, or not. You can just hit continue down here. It'll take you back to that page. So it's sort of between these two sections as you're finishing your deductions and credits, and you can change your deduction right there. So that's how you can change your itemized deduction to standard deduction, or choose either one on TurboTax.